All right. So good morning, everybody. I trust you guys are doing fine. My name is Banks, and I'm going to be the one taking you guys today during this analysis. So let's look at what the market is presenting to us. First of all, I'm going to make this as quick as possible because today I'm going to be working on pre-existing information. So as you guys can see, if you guys noticed back earlier in the week, I think yesterday or a day before, we analyzed US 30, where I told you guys that I marked out this area, and the reason for my bias was the fact that first off, from the 4 hour time frame that I was initially, we had markets breaking a recent high that was actually here, then pushed up price, then we had this invalidated zone. So for me, I expected market to push down price a bit into this area. Then upon pushing down price a bit into this area, we expected the price. As you guys can see, market actually came down. That's the craziest part. It actually came down into that zone. If you guys can see clearly, it actually came down into this area that I marked out here. It didn't get to our entry point that I expected, but it was so close to the entry. It was like about 10 pips to the entry, and then right now it's pushing price and almost at take profit. And yeah, so like I said, I was expecting US 30 buys anyways. As you guys can see, that was exactly what happened. Let's go to XAUUSD. XAUUSD, so I told you guys that if XAUUSD should break this recent high, I'm going to be expecting, hold on, this is it, yeah. So I said that if gold should get to this high here, go and watch the videos that I said before, I'm going to be expecting the massive buy. And somebody here actually took the trade and he was able to make 1.5 million. Let me unmute him so you guys can hear him talk. Adeomi, yeah, go ahead. Tell them how you're able to make $1,000 from $200 with this signal call that we sent. Just a quick one, quickly.
All right, good morning, everyone. Basically, I just immediately you gave the signal. I didn't over leverage. I just took the trades like just two entries and three entries actually, which I just put TP1, TP2, TP3, and as each was reaching TP1, I was closing, I was not over leveraging, but I was also very patient. I was also very, very patient. And from watching how you used to place the trades, I was able to pick and, close when it's time. But I now saw that those entry points, especially when we left the TP1 and it's going up and up, and now
Yeah.
began to stack it little by little, sir. So from $200 to around 1,170, sir.
From $200 about 1,000.
170.
And you guys hear that? Thank you for that. Thank you very much. I appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
All right. So it's not far-fetched. Me, I'm going to be doing scenarios like this where you can hear him. He literally push an account from $200 to roughly 1,200 USD, which means he made 1.5 million naira in less than few hours between yesterday and today. And thank God it's not for me. It makes sense that you guys can actually hear it from him himself saying that, yeah, and that's basically how we keep it simple. So yeah, let's go to what we say. So that's what we're saying again. First off, I said that if we had a break of this market basically continue to push up price, and that's like exactly what we have. Let's look at GJ quickly. For GBP JPY, um, GBP JPY, as you can see, currently, GBP JPY is currently on a push-up spray. And how is that possible? I said that I was expecting GJ buys. If you guys remember, I said it one time I was expecting GBP JPY buys. And personally, I was expecting it to push down price into this area. And I said that if it pushes down price in this area and actually fails to buy and breaks below this zone, we can expect the continuation of the sell patterns. And that's pretty much it. Then now I'm going to be checking the last pair, which will be US oil. Now for US oil, if we put this down to the 4-hour time frame, you guys would realize that we're expecting US oil buy, but the buy that we're expecting for US oil is at this rock bottom area. So for me, the sell opportunities are inevitable. You guys can get the sales, but I'm still looking at like I'm still looking at the buy at this down zone, and like that's pretty much it for today. So this is to show you guys that the gold buys that we speculated happened, and most likely we're still going to be having an upward trend continuously. Right now we're currently on GBP JPY trade in the signal room, and we also said US 30 buys. And if you notice, it didn't get to the entry, just 10 pips away from the entry, but US 30 is currently buying and it's almost at the TP area. And pretty much that's just it. We keep it simple. As you guys can hear, the analysis that we did here, somebody was able to make 1.5 million from it in a few hours, and he was here to also talk about it himself. And like that's pretty much how we keep it simple. So if you guys want to get started and you stop making irrelevant losses and following people that don't even know what they are doing themselves, right? If you know you want to follow people that have track record, it doesn't necessarily have to be we ourselves. We have to follow somebody that knows where they are headed, right? And they have plans and vision from their life. And you shouldn't follow people that hate on other people. Do you know why? If you have a mentor that all they do as a mentor is hate on other people or use their energy to troll other people, it shows that the person is jobless and it will rub off on you eventually. So you want to make sure that you are with people that are goal-oriented, want your own growth, are committed to seeing you grow, committed to seeing themselves grow, constantly making sure that everybody around them is fine. You can't help everybody. Even Jesus did not help everybody, right? So it's very okay for not everybody to like you. Upon everything that I did for us, they still crucified him. So you can't satisfy everybody. Come to terms with that. But little that you can do in your immediate environment, you do. And trading is 85% psychology. For people to make a lot of money in trading, you have to be, I don't want to use the word a wild card, but you have to be audacious, right? Look at what he did. He started with 2 entries, was able to scale it and was able to milk the analysis and make a lot of money. That can literally be you. I called the same trade yesterday. He made $1,000. Another person made $100. Both of them might have even been using the same account size. He moved his account to 500% in few hours, right? And that doesn't mean you should pressure yourself, but that's just a sign that if good news is around you, at some point it should definitely get to you, provided you follow the same system and you double down, right? And I pray God continue to strengthen every single one of you guys. I'm always here to guide you. All you have to do is reach out to our support and we'll push from there. So safe guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time. Bye for now.